We've been doing it all wrong. Today we're going to be making a chicken burger the correct way. First, you want to take your bread and turn it. When you turn it, it confuses the molecules in the bread and it makes it split. When it's unconscious, put it on a rack. And I see the food, so I'm going to season it. I like green beans. Get it, Betty. Next, we're going to make some beef balls. I haven't been getting any toys, so I'm going to make sure I get one this time. Get it, Karen. Drake for 3. Flavor pellets. When it smells like burnt toast, flip it. Deal them out. Respect the process. Some bread, picolardo, burger cheese and onion. I like green beans. Some tomato, burger cheddar, vegetable water, some healthy stuff. Add it to the thing. Some picolardos and another bun. Add a burger stick and do some fancy stuff. I call it a chicken burger. Taste test. Jeez. I won. I think it's a lip tongue or something. That's good. Look at that.